You cannot have a marketing strategy, a sales strategy, a product strategy, and call it strategy in these buckets. Because there's only one strategy, the organizational strategy. And from there, everything flows. If you say that you're a marketing director, you're a sales director, and you're planning a sales strategy, you're planning nothing. You may have some good ideas, and they will gel well, but in the end, your success would depend on the linkages that you're dealing with. The richness is in the linkages, not in the business verticals. So it is a system. The parts are an illusion. If you put an aircraft, and you get the best wing around, with the best engine, with the best pilot, and develop these as systems, it's still not an aircraft. The wing cannot lift itself, forget about lifting the aircraft. The engine cannot move itself, forget about moving the aircraft. It'll just sit on the table there. But when you put all these together, now it's an aircraft. And the aircraft has its functionality. It's able to lift and fly and transport you from point 1 to point 2. Because of the interaction of the wings, the engines, the avionics, and so on. Alone, these mean nothing. You could have wonderful business verticals. Rolls-Royce makes great engines, GE makes great aircraft engines, but they mean nothing unless they get into the system which makes it successful, because that is where the market is. So the integration, thinking as a system, as a whole, is something which is not natural. If you're an engineer, you're doomed, because you're trained from the childhood that this is how you break the problem into parts, solve the problem, and integrate the solution. And lo and behold, you'll get a solution.